All right, this video here, I'm gonna do a review on this. It's one of the Harbor Freight motorcycle lift tables. I picked it up not too long ago. As you can see, it's definitely dirty because I use it, man. Well worth the money. I'm just gonna straight up. You don't want to watch the video? Don't watch the video. Go out and buy one. That's it. They're worth it. I've worked on other stuff on the ground, on little ramps, on little wooden tables, on all of that, and honestly, for the money that you pay for one of this, it's way worth it. If you can afford one of the cool, nice ones for a couple grand or whatever, go for it. But these things, definitely check them out at Harbor Freight. $3.99, $4.99, $5.99, depends on where you live. But sometimes there's those $100 off coupons, things like that. If you can get $100 off coupon, just go get it. So I'm gonna go over a few things. Definitely tons of pros. Got some cons. I'll go over a few of them. As you can see, tie down, safety bar. These are the little bars. These things are lifesavers, man. I'm going to order a few more of them, but they go across your bars from bar to bar, so that way you're not ratcheting down on like your neck or anything like that. And then your pedals and all that. So ramp to get it on. Little access panel door, so if you need to do something with the tire or whatever, so you can drop it, get it off. If you need to work on the jack underneath or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this and get the bikes loaded up on it, and we'll start you going. All right, hold up.
What's up, guys? I'm going to go ahead and pull this up on the ramp. Had to make a few adjustments. The ramp likes to slide when it's all the way down and you're loading it. Normally I would start the bike up and ride it, or I shouldn't say ride it, but walked it up there. I'll stand beside it, let it roll. But for this video, I'm just going to push it up there. Some of you might not feel confident about, throttling it up. Some of you might, but let's just push it up there, see what happens. One thing I always screw up: lift the kickstand. This is probably my third or fourth take because I keep lifting the kickstand down. You hit the platform, and if you're not holding on tight, you and the bike are going over. So luckily, hasn't happened. But kick the kickstand up. But here we go. So I'm really careful because of this factory wheel lock that's on here. But once you get it up here, just hold it with your brake here. You don't want it to roll in any way. Tighten this wheel lock up a little bit. I'll show you that here in just one moment. At this moment, I would say it's safe to put your kickstand down just as a safety measure. Let me tighten this up here real quick. All right, I like to balance a few times, make sure it feels like it's pretty sturdy. No way in heck would I let it go. This is more just to hold it there. While I'm holding on, I am going to reach down, grab a ratchet strap, hook it up to one of these tie downs, and get this. At this point, what I usually will do is I'll release the front brake a little bit, but I've got my foot on the kickstand, balancing it, holding it. That's so I can click this ratchet strap and get her going. So a couple good straps on it. Now,
All right, once you get it strapped down, you can see it's pretty straight. Offset a little bit, but still, for what I'm doing, that's fine. Really, this is just for the little video. But up there, one thing, like I was saying, up front, where these settings are, put in this front one, you're definitely gonna smack. It will not allow you to park up there. Put it in the middle one, you can barely grab it, staying out of the way. This back one, you just wouldn't be grabbing it at all. So functionable, definitely could be improved on. How? I'm not an engineer, but I mean, I could probably find a better way, but hey, it works. I use this tie down, I run up. I love these things. They go across, protect, hook right here, but that's it. So next thing I'm gonna do, pull the ramp, just lifts right up. Little prong, hole, just drops in there. Move it out of the way. That right there is gonna be a safety bar. I'll show you. What I do while loading the bike, I take this lever off. It's made to slide on and off. The lowering level, I don't know why it's not, but this one, it is. So just slide it back on there. Get it set up. Now, we'll pump it up. I'm gonna flip the camera around and you can watch me for a minute while I get a little leg workout. All right, now we're gonna pump it up. Leg to pump it, leg to drop it. So go ahead, pump it up. I'm gonna record, but I can guarantee you I'm gonna fast forward this section for y'all because it takes a minute. So you can hold the bike if you want to. You don't have to. I mean, it holds it up, but it's a workout. So I mean, you can leave it at whatever level you want, what's best for you. I like it all the way up top. I hate bending over. There's 2 safeties in it, so I think we're getting close to the first one. That's what that bar is for. So what I'll do is I'll grab that. So if you want, oh yeah, we made it. So the first level, just a little bit lower than that. You know, you can bring it down, so maybe it'd be about knee-ish level or so. You know, you can work on it, do a few things. Got to, everything's pretty much within reach. A little taller, don't want to bend over. I maxed it out, so with the safety still in it, I'll go ahead and keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And I think we're getting close. So at this point, I'm going to check. Pretty close. All right, that's maxed out. That's all the way up top. As you can see, almost waist level. You can get to everything. If I can tear off fairings, get in this area right here. That access panel I was talking about. Find a little jack or something. You slide in here, and that'll allow you to go ahead and pull that out. And if you have to take the wheel out, you can move the wheel in and out. So that's how she looks going up. Like I said, it's pretty accessible. I like it. Get around, do what you gotta do. You know, under, over, does pretty good. So, you know, got room. And again, little lever, you can take it off, set it off to the side so you're not tripping on it. The other one wheel, but you're gonna need, I believe it was a 10mm, just so you can loosen the nut and slide it off. But I leave them both on there. They don't honestly really get in my way, so not a big deal. Has that safety on there, so if for some reason, you know, something's going on, goes, boom, locked up. That's it. She's safe. That metal pole's what saved my ass. So, turn the lock back off, pump it back up, get it up. Now, take the solid bar out. I could put it in the next one if I needed to go a little bit lower, but at this point, I'm done. So, just like with the car jack, same thing. That's a bottle jack. Crank it fast, it's gonna slam. Crank it slowly, it's going to come down. But you can start slow and speed it up. You can bring it down and try to catch it, bring it down slow. Personally, with the bike, I'm gonna go slow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk it down. I'll find a good place where I can hold on to, but I wanna be able to get my hand out with quickness. If I'm doing something and it goes, you know, make sure you don't lose a finger. So find somewhere you can grab a hold of, and I will slowly start to lower it. So as soon as I see it start to go, I'll basically stop at that moment, and there she goes. So I'll let her go slow. Judge everything, make sure it looks good. You can give her a little more gas, speed her up. You can lift her up, stop it if you need to. Or, again, slowly go down. I'm not going to go ahead and just slam it. That scares me. That's your bike up here. That's somebody else's bike. You know, you might feel like I do. A bike's like a baby. You take care of it. You can walk it all the way down. There she is. I lock it back up. That's up. So at this point, grab your ramp. Set your ramp back up. Fun part. Alright, so start them. I always like to hold the brake. I don't like the bike to move. Hold the brake just for safety. Go ahead, pop the first strap off. Reach over, pop the second strap off. Okay, so at this point, again, kickstands up, hands on the brake. Just, oh, you know what, the wheel. Loosen that wheel chock up, as I forgot right now, because the bike will not go without it. Sometimes you gotta wiggle with your hand. It's a little janky sometimes, but once you got it and you're ready to go ahead and start to wheel it back. Keep your finger on the brake. That's it. Just slowly wheel it down. that's it. So get this here, put around. So again, safety bar, very important. Ratchet straps, got to have them. Do not like it, but it works. Unfortunately, no, this is a great lift. I cannot tell you any, man, it is great. Just don't like it. Does it work? Heck yeah, it does. It served its purpose, and I've done lots of bikes on it, but I've got an upgrade, and that will be on one of the next videos. So all in all, they're great, man. I'm telling you. I do have a couple mods coming, so watch for those, and I'll see y'all soon. Again, Jigsaw, don't know what to do with it. It's beautiful. Boost, I got a few ideas. F3, ZX6, Repsol, good old 1000, CBR 900, Busa. So those are my toys at the moment, but that could change at any minute. Except for her, she's staying. So shoot me some ideas, guys. What do y'all want to see? I don't know a lot, but if I know it, I'll show you a way to do it. So review coming up on the dolly as well. Those things are pretty cool. What else do I got? A few other things. So like I said, guys, like, share, review, just do whatever you can. Comment, man. Somebody comment. I ain't got a comment. Been here for a couple week or two. Ain't got a comment. I mean, y'all can say I suck. I don't care. Shoot, just say something. Am I wasting my time? Come on, y'all. More videos coming. Later.